Hello, grade 8. How are you? Okay, today we'll talk about approximating irrational numbers to decimal. How to write an irrational number in the form of decimal. Okay, to do this, first we want to estimate if I have a rational number, between which two whole numbers this rational number. Before this, I need to remember with you the meaning of perfect square, which is like what? Square root of 4 is 2. So this is called perfect square. Square root of 9 equals 3, and so on. As you see, you have to remember it because we will use it, at all the time in the year, okay? So you have to remember it, please. Okay. Between which two whole number is 12 is square root of 12. Actually, we take the number 12, okay, and we try to find between which numbers which has perfect square the 12 is located. Okay, actually it's between 16, yes, and so it's smaller than 16 and greater than what? 12 greater than which perfect square? 9. That's right? Yes, that's 12. Why I choose 16 and 9? Because they have perfect square. Okay? So we search for the number which has perfect square. Let's take the square root to all sides. Square root, square root, square root. Okay? Put the square root of 12 like it is. And we will find it greater than square root of 9 is 3. Yes. Square root of 16 is 4. So the square root of 12 is actually located between 3 and 4. If we want to represent it on the number line, we can write it like that. If we have here 3, here 3.1, here 3.2, here 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and 4. Okay, so square root of 12 actually is located between 3 and 4. Okay? Okay. What do you think? 12, the number 12 is near to 9, or if you want to make estimation, it's near to 3 or near to 4. Okay, we ask ourselves, is 12 is near to 9 or near to 16? Actually, the difference between 12 and 9 is 3. Difference between 12 and 16 is 4. So 12 is near to 9. So I think 12 will be in this area. From here, okay, in this area. Will be located here. Because it's near to the smallest one. So it may be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3. Or something like this. Okay? So I know now which whole numbers the square root of 12 is located between. It's between 3 and 4. Sometimes he asks me to put the square root in the form of decimal to the nearest or to around the 2/10th position. So I need it as 3 point what? 3.1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Now I estimate it between, in this area, okay? From 3 to 3.5. What between? Okay. Okay. What we will start with, it's very near to, is it very near to 9? Okay, it's far something from 9. What about if we take 3.4? We take 3.4 times 3.4. 3.4 times 3.4. If the number is close to 12, okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is what? The answer. Okay, 3.4 and 3.4, the point here we have two places. Remember it. 4 times 4, 16, 6 and carry up 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 and 1, 13. 3 times 4, 12, but 0. 2 and carry up 1. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 is 10. Now, the number is 6, 5, 1, 1. Put the point. I need two places. It will be here. So it's 11.56. It's very near to 12. What about if I take 2.5? May it become more closer to 12? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, 2.5, 3.5 times 3.5. 5 times 5, 25, 5 up to 3 times 2 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. 3 times 5 is 15, but 0. 5 and carry up 1. Okay. 2 times 3 times 5, 3, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, it's 5. 2 and carry up 1, 2, 1. Which one is closer? What do you think? Which one is closer? 3.4 or 3.5? Which one is closer? The difference here is between 12 and 11 and 16. I think it's about 44. Okay, and here is 0.25. So this is very near to 12. This is so the answer here I can write it as not only between 3 and 4. No, it's 3.5. I can write it as estimated. So square root of 12 can be written as estimated number to round it to nearest tens is 3.5. So I can represent the irrational number as, yes, as a decimal number. Yes? Okay. Now we will move here to another topic, which is what? How to arrange a group of numbers which contains rational and irrational number. Okay. Compare the following. What? I have okay, this is the example. Okay, I want to compare between these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, which from smallest to greatest. Okay, actually I can make them two groups. First group contains the negative numbers, which is the smallest. So one of these two numbers is the smallest. I can arrange them now. Which one is the smallest? Negative 2.5 or negative 3.9 and so on. Which one is the smallest? Yes, it's negative 3 because it's far from 0, from the number line. So this is number 1. We'll start with, and this is number 2. Okay, so if we have the decimal number, it's easy to arrange it. Okay, and easy to compare it. Okay, let's go to the positive numbers. Okay, which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest? I have here 2.6 per, and this is actually this number is clear. It's clear to find. This number need to be as written as a decimal number 2 and 1 over 4. How can we write it in the decimal form? Actually, 1 over 4 can be written as 0.25. Yes, that's it. Okay. Okay, I have two numbers now. I think 2.25 is smaller than this. I need to find the last one, which is what? The irrational number 11, square root of 11. Okay, to know the square root of 11, we will do the steps before we do 11, which located between two perfect square, which is what? Less than 9, yes, it's less than 9. And what is the perfect square greater? It's 16, yes, that's right. Okay. So, by taking the square root, I can find that square root of 11 located between square root of 9, 3. Square root of 16, 4. So, it's located between 3 and 4. Actually, I need more estimation because I have here 3.6. So if this number is more than 3.6, it will be bigger. If this number is less than 3.6, it will be smaller. So I have to decide 3 point what to compare it with this number. Okay, to compare it with this number. Okay, okay. Actually, 11 is near to 9 or near to 16. I think it's near to 16. Yes? Okay, as number line, if we have the number line here, This is 3, and this is 4, 3.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know it's near to 9, so it will be in this area. It will be in this area. Is it very near to 9? I think so. It's near. Let's try 3.4. 3.4. 3.4 times 3.4 equals. By the way, it's about 3.4. It will not become 3.6. Yes, you don't have to do this. I can make a very easy way. It's very near to 3. So it's less than 3.6. Yes, less than 3.6. 3.6 is greater. So now 2.25 is the smallest one. So it will become number 3. Okay? It will become number 3. Okay? So this one is 3. And what is the smallest? Yes, I have square root of 11 because it's between 3 and 3.5, less than 3.5. So it's less than 3.6 bar. So it will be number 4. And number 5 will be 3.6 bar. Okay, if we want to arrange them now, we'll write it like this. First one is negative 3.96271, so on. Second one is negative 2.5. Third, 2 and a quarter. Fourth, square root of 11. And the last one is 3.6 bar over 6 only. Okay? I think it's easy. Take time only to calculate the irrational number, but it's very easy. Yes? Okay. This is our lesson today. I'll send you the homework over the LMS. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye.